Okay, this is a side viewing scope. This is a duodenal video endoscope. This scope is especially used for ERCP. I tell you about this scope in my previous video, today I will explain you how to use ERCP accessories in this scope. We have the biopsy channel, accessories channel of this scope is 4.2 millimeter. We use accessories less than 4.2 millimeter through this scope. Let me show you some accessories which we are using for ERCP. Okay, give me the sphincter please. This is the sphincter triple lumen sphincter for using in ERCP for cannulation of pancreatic or CBD ampullary. This is have a cutting wire in this sphincter at the end of this sphincter. You can see as well. This is clever cut sphincter. Clever cut means this sphincter cutting wire is covered with polyethylene membrane, which is behind of this cutting wire. These wires have available in different length: 20 mm, 25 mm, 30 mm, 35, 4.5. We have this sphincter is 30 mm cutting wire with clever cut. Okay, now I will tell you how this sphincter used in this scope. Hold it please. We use this sphincter like in this position. We introduce this sphincter in this biopsy channel through the biopsy channel into the accessories channel. Now I will explain how we'll use it. Hold it like this. Okay, we insert this sphincter into the biopsy channel or accessory channel. It will come out from the distal end of the scope, which is, you can see here. It is come out, you can see here as well. It is come out from the end of the NS unit, you can see. We have elevator in this area. I will move this towards knee, that we go up. It will change the position of this sphincter. You can see as well. One way I can let the ampulla. We will introduce the guide wire into the CBD. You can see guide wire will go into the CBD. Now, if I want to go into the CBD, I will travel this guide this sphincter into the over to the guide wire. Please. You can see guide wire is still there. I am going up. How I going up? This lady which is standing with me is pulling the wire guide back, and I am go up to the CBD. Right now, if I want to go went out from the CBD or pancreatic duct, wire will should go up into the system, into the duct. I will come out easily. Good. You can see here. If I want to lock this wire, if I change this whole thing, whole sphincter I will lock my wire with my elevator. You can see this elevator. I will push it towards me. Wire elevator will go up. Elevator will go up and lock this guide wire as well. Now I am exchange this wire. Exchange this cannula tone. Where my wire should be there, my cannula tone will come out easily, and the wire is stable on the same position. Okay, I will hold this wire from here, and we will change this sphincter on. Now I will show you how to use extraction balloon for CBD stone removal or pancreatic stones removal. I will load this wire in my hand and hold it like this. Extraction balloon please. My wire is still in the position which I locked there. You can see here as well. Now we are using extraction balloon. Now let me show you how it is inflated. Okay. Look at the balloon tip. We will inject the air in the balloon that will be inflated. These have 3 stages inflating: 8.5 mm, 12 mm, 15 mm. We have to adjust with this syringe of air. Deflate this. Now I will show you how we use this extraction balloon. My assistant will rear loading the extraction balloon over the guide wire. Slowly. This will go into the accessory channel. Now I will push it in. My assistant will pull the guide wire back. My elevator is in lock position. When this balloon is reached at the distal end of the endoscope, duodenoscope, that will knock the door actually. Now you can see my balloon is reached up to the distal end because it is not pushing inside right now. What I should do, I will release this elevator. When I release this elevator, my wire will unlock from the distal end of the endoscope. Yes. Now I will push it into the CBD over the guide wire. It will come out from the endoscope over the guide wire. Now, if we would like to inflate and remove all the debris from the CBD or pancreatic duct. Inflate this. As you can see here, she is inflating the balloon with air in the syringe. Inflate this. Please inflate 1.5 mm. Okay, right? Now lock this air. The air is inflated in the balloon. Now what I do is the wiring little bit gently. What I do, she is pushing the wire into the CBD. I am pulling the balloon over the guide wire from the CBD with debris coming out. Now what the debris coming out with the extraction balloon is stuck into the close to the distal end of the ampulla or duodenoscope. All the debris will remove from the duct. Now I will ask my assistant to deflate the balloon. Now balloon is deflating. Now I will replace this from the wire. Is the wiring, and I will lock the wire like this with elevator. Now I will release. I will exchange my extraction balloon from the NS unit. Exchange, please. Now I will show you how to use CRA in the bile duct, ampullary opening or bile duct. I will go through the NS unit. Our CRA extraction balloon will come out from the end of the NS unit. I will go into the CBD like this and lock the CRA balloon. I will ask to my assistant to transfer the guide wire into the bile duct. इसको bile duct में डालो. Okay, done. I will confirm my position into the bile duct. Now I will ask her to inflate the balloon, please. Inflate, please. This balloon is inflating with this inflation device, which is called CRA gun. Inflation device. This is hydraulic pressure. We will inflate. How much we will inflate? This balloon size is 12 mm to 15 mm. So we will inflate 3 atmosphere pressure for 12 mm into the SIAG balloon. Now we are going to start this balloon. You can see as well, the balloon is inflating with saline or bottom. Okay. This is 12 mm. You can see here this meter. You can see here our pressure is 3 atmosphere and the balloon diameter is going up to the 12 millimeter. Now we dilate the ampullary opening, or if you dilate the stricture, we will take the 1 to 3 minutes. The time period is going up, then we release this towards me for deflating the extraction balloon, for dilating the dilatation balloon. Now we will deflate the balloon. The balloon is deflating, as you can see here. Okay, hold this please. The balloon is deflating. Now we will replace this from the bile duct with ampulla. Okay. Let me show you how to use extraction basket through the scope into the CBD for removal of bile duct stones or pancreatic duct stones. So this is extraction basket. You can see as well. And this is trapezoid basket from the Boston Scientific. We can use it for extraction of the stones, as well as we use it for the crushing of the stone with inflation device of CRE. Please lock it. Thank you. We will introduce this basket into the channel, accessories channel. As you can see, the basket will come out from the distal end of this endoscope, distal end of the NS unit. We can use the elevator for to change the position, change the direction of the basket. As you can see here, if we see the stones is there, we open this basket from here. See here, we open this basket from here. Open please. Now you can see the basket is open from the distal end. If there is a stone, let me show you how to grasp this from this example. For this is a stone. Let me show you how to grasp with this basket of the stone. Hold please. You can see here, you can see here he is pulling the back. The stone will come out into the basket. Hold please. If you want to crush this, don't crush my finger please. Don't crush my finger please. If you want to crush this, we will attach this trapezoid basket into the syringe. Stop please. And we will use this device for crushing the stone. We will adjust this basket in this inflation device. Now we are ready to crush this stone. Okay, crush this please. Don't crush my finger. This is my finger. Okay. Okay. Now brush please. Okay, good. You can see here, he is crushing the stone. This is not a stone. This is my finger. Okay, don't crush. Okay. Release please. If a stone is crushed, we can release this basket like this. Release please. When a stone is crushed, some debris are in the basket. We are gently close it. gently close it. With some debris is in the basket now, I will push the bag into the scope. When the basket came out from the CBD, all the stone will came out in the duodenum. When the basket is reached into the duodenum, we will release the basket. Please. All the stone debris will come out into the duodenum. Now we will replace this basket from the duodenum. Okay, close the basket please. Basket is closed, I am pulling it back. This is the demonstration of CBD cannulation or CBD stone removal with extraction balloon or CBD stone removal with crushing with trapezoid basket, which is from Boston Scientific. Thank you very much.